Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple ID phone number verification error. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to verify your phone number but you're facing the issue that your Apple ID phone number verification has been cancelled or is showing any error, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi as well as data. You can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi cellular data, or you can try to connect with the strongest or stable network connection which is available to you, or you can try to enable that stable airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your settings app. In settings, go to general, go to software update, and you just have to make sure that you have one pending software update. If you find any kind of pending software update, just try to update your software. After updating software, go back from here, go to VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any kind of VPN here, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to go back, go to language and region, select region, and you have to select your own region in which you're living. After selecting your region, go back and go to data time section, enable the toggle to set your data time automatically. And after doing this, you have to go back, close your recent apps, and then try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Or you can also try one more thing. Open your settings app, go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings and confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network setting, it will be fixed in the step and you'll not get the issue again. After resetting your network setting, you have to try to make a force restart. So now to do that, you have to quickly press on its volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for the Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue had fixed or not. So your issue must have to be fixed. But if you're still facing the same issues, I recommend you have to try to wait for almost 1 hour, 2 hours. At some time it might take 24 hours to refresh the whole Apple ID server. It might be a server error, so you cannot verify your phone number. So yeah, I recommend you have to try to wait for some moments or some hours, and after that you can easily log in or you can easily verify your phone number. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.